Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's not sunny today, but we're gonna try our luck and see if we can catch anything. Hey, look at all the chickens. Yeah. How are you today this morning, mommy? Good. All right, so let's go in and get some fish. Oh, also, I'm not supposed to be out right now. I have like a PowerPoint to do, but I mean, I did part of it. I think it'll be worth it to like come out and try and get some fish. Yeah, so let's go. Dad, how are you feeling? Are you excited to go fishing?
Well, I'm feeling good. It's a beautiful day, you know. Fish and then barbecue on the beach. So it's wonderful, you know. Glad to be here.
We're gonna go head off to the spot now. So. Yeah, it's going down now.
It's coming up.
Yeah. There's a lot of parrot fish there. Okay, here.
Alright. So this is the spot.
Yeah.
And look at the water. It's
so calm right now.
a lot of more fish there now.
Yeah, there's a lot of grunts right now. So we just need to throw some bait and see what comes out.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Look at that.
What?
Oh.
Yeah, look at them. Look at all the grunts.
They're hungry.
They're getting their breakfast now.
They're hungry.
Oh, there's a jack. There's a jack. The one with the blue line, Ma. Yeah. What the heck? What's that, the bar jack? Whoa. That's pretty big too.
It's not gonna dash. Chub. I think it's Chub, the one that's jumping.
Oh.
Daming isdaan. Maliliit. Daming maliliit na yellow grunts. Ayan, parrot fish. Ayan, dalawa na silang blue. Ikiagaw sa maliliit. Ala, anong nakuha mo?
Little grunt. Alright, so it's a little grunt We're gonna throw this back. Yeah. Ah, thank goodness he didn't swallow it. Or she. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Oh. Whoa! Oh, it went in.
Andahan lang. Oh, is that away?
Yeah.
Oh. It's a big chub.
It was a bream.
Big chub.
Yeah, a bream.
Bream?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really big.
Oh, it bent the hook.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Let me try to bend
It's really big bream, huh?
Yeah, that was a bream. It was huge.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Ah, damn.
Really? That's
Try
really
again.
big. I thought it's a chub.
I had to bend the hook back. Yeah, it was a bream, huh? I think it's
That's
big.
big.
Huh?
Oh, wow.
Alright guys, so my dad was able to get this little grunt and there's like a little bird over there and we're gonna feed it. Last time we fed it, but I didn't get it on video, so this time we'll have it. Alright, let's go. He's like, the bird's right there. Look, he's already looking, he knows there's a fish here. Hey birdie, hello. Look at it. Just right there. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, I think the bird enjoyed its breakfast. Back to fishing.
Bream?
Alright guys, so we're back here in this spot. Day 2, round 2. See what we can get. Yeah? Hopefully we can get something today. If not, the experience. Whoa, that's a big barracuda. Yeah, so like hopefully we can get something today. If not, it's fun like fishing anyway, so. Yeah, no.
Tapunan mo ng tapunan.
Dito lang nakita.
Hindi mo tinapunan eh. Umalis na. Umalis na.
Balik yun.
Ay.
Balik yung mga badyak.
Wow. one accidentally took the bait. I thought you don't eat fry. Okay, so we're gonna be careful. Oh, look at that
Oh
teeth.
my. Be careful, huh?
Yeah. So, once again, you do not
Keep it.
keep parrotfish.
Be careful. Oh, good.
Bye bye.
Okay. Oh. He's happy to be back in the water.
Yeah. Probably got freaked out like, what is this? Why am I out of the water? Alright, so yeah, just to reiterate, all parrotfish species are protected here in Bermuda. If you accidentally catch one, throw it back.
It's a big green.
Alright. Oh, okay. Scarfish.
What did you get?
Another grunt.
Grunt.
So there's like 2 snappers like right here, and we're trying to get them, but these little buggers are always getting our hooks. Alright.
Ayan o. Basta dagdagan nyo yung ano, pamain.
Oh my god.
What's that? Oh.
I haven't caught one of these
Oh,
in forever. Whoa.
It's big.
It's a Sergeant Major.
Yeah.
I haven't catch one of these in a while.
It's nice. Ang snapper, ang dami na nila.
Alright, let's put this guy back. It's a pretty big one too.
Yeah, it's a nice size. Oh. So beautiful.
Alright, let's put
Beautiful.
it back. Ready?
Okay.
Wow.
Oh.
They're free.
Thank you, May.
Anak ko, dito na yung tapos baba.
Yeah, they're all just attacking here. What the heck? Huh?
Yeah. Sa pababa mo kasi hindi niya mo dang.
Oh, just a small one.
Put that back natin.
Small snapper, we have to put it back.
Yeah. Uy! Snapper?
Snapper.
Oh, siya. Inano?
Hey, hello.
Nawala?
Mine. Me.
No!
Oh.
I lost it because the hook wasn't tied properly.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Chub? Fight, then fight. Fight.
Wow. Good job, Jasmine. Good job.
How heavy this thing is? Wait,
God, hindi ko. Hintayin mo tumaas.
Wala pa rin. That's a big one, Jasmine.
Oh my god!
Big.
Oh my god!
That's a big one.
Allah.
Wow.
It's hurt.
Yeah! I need to make my forearm
Okay.
stronger.
You hold it, mate.
What? The hook came off?
Came off?
Wow.
Oh my God. It's big.
Oh my god.
Be careful, ah. Be careful.
Hey, Chub.
May, be careful. Huwag mo nang anuhin. Huwag mo na itaas.
This is my mommy. Let me get my rod.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's
This was strong. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'll just keep it in the bucket.
See?
That almost. No.
Almost fall down.
Alright.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah. That was super fun. Hey guys, so
This one is not allowed.
this is a little baby rockfish. Can you see it properly? Baby rockfish. So this is way too small. We're gonna throw this back, and he'll probably grow up really big, and someone's gonna enjoy him in the distant future. Yeah, still way too small. It's a baby.
Put it back here.
Pakita mo.
Here, here.
All right,
Okay, put it
we're gonna put him back. They're free. Alright, so yeah, that rockfish was too small, way too small. They grow like really big, so throw them back, let them grow up,
Catch
and
them
it'll be a
again.
delicious meal for
Catch them
whoever's
again.
lucky.
Catch
Yeah.
them again in the future.
Yeah. Dad just finished cleaning up the fish. He's gonna do a final wash down of the area. Yeah. Make sure the area that you fished in, make sure it's always clean before you leave. Alright guys, so we got a chub, a couple bream, some squirrelfish, and yeah, it's a good day. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.